If using SlideShare to present with Voice Presenter, click Edit Presentation. From the Privacy drop-down menu, select Public and click Update. Return to your presentation using the View Presentation link in the upper right-hand corner. The URL of the published presentation is now available. To work with voice presentation, each slide must have its own URL. But if you move through this presentation, the URL does not change. So slide 5 and slide 15 have the same URL, such as the one shown here. You can append the slide number to any SlideShare URL, and it will directly start the presentation from that particular slide. For example, the SlideShare shown here has 67 slides, but I can jump to slide 18 directly by using the following URL. Copy the URL and append it, adding this little bit of code at the end. I can do the same thing again if I wanted to jump to slide 19. And slide 20. To give each slide an individual URL so your voice presentation moves from slide to slide with your narration, you must add that little bit of code to the URL as shown in red. Copy and paste this URL into your voice presentation composer box. Add your text, record your voice, stop, and upload. It would be useful to have all of the URLs of the slides in Notepad or Word docs so you can just copy and paste away. If you click the Edit button, you can re-record the message, alter the subject, the accompanying text, or even the URL. Students will not see the Edit button. The Delete button is another option, but once content is deleted, it cannot be recovered. You can reorder slides in a presentation by simply dragging and dropping them. Be careful, however, not to drag and drop over another slide. Look for a thin horizontal line to appear under the location you wish to drop the slide and drop it there. The Options button allows you to change the behavior of the presentation. Note that these are personal settings and don't apply to all users. Play on Click. Select Play on Click if you wish the audio for a slide or comment to a slide to begin playing automatically when its title is clicked. This eliminates the need to click the play control on the audio player. Continuous play. Select continuous play to review the entire presentation without having to select individual slides. It will begin playing with the first selected slide and continue to the end of the presentation, playing all visible subjects. Expand all, collapse all. Click either to automatically expand all subjects with their related comments or collapse all of the same. Refresh. Click refresh to see the latest posts to a voice presentation. If students are making multiple simultaneous comments to a presentation, clicking refresh will load the latest ones into the browser. Import. Click import to import an audio file in one of several supported audio formats, MP3 or WAV. Note that it is possible to import an entire pre-recorded voice presentation into another presentation. Export. Export works the same way and supports the same file formats, but it works in reverse. If you are exporting to move the entire voice presentation, use the WVB format. If you are exporting to make a backup file, use MP3. Once you are finished with your presentation, it is automatically saved. Return to the My Manager page where you initially created your presentation by closing the window. Edit the settings of your voice presentation by clicking the title of your voice presentation that appears in the list. Select the settings link in the menu. There are 4 settings on your screen you need to set. Audio quality from the drop-down menu, and you should pick broadband use. Maximum message length, also from the drop-down window. And finally, allow students to comment on slides by ticking this box. You can also make slide comments private by ticking the other box, Make Slide Comments Private, if you don't want students to hear the comments made by others. Finally, click Apply. Select Basic Rights. For any content you create, set to allow any user to read the messages and any user to post messages using the drop-down menus. Click Apply. Select Publish. When you are ready to share your presentation, select the URL pointing to your voice presentation. Copy and paste this URL to share it with the class and post where needed.